coordination number of 6. So as you can see this image here, what happens is we have 4 cations. 1, 2, 3, 4 surrounding this one anion. Then on both ends, as we have one in front here, number 5, this one that is broken. Then admin we could rotate at the back here, we'll have our number 6 cation, right? It's like, how will I say, let me draw a rough sketch. So we have our anion in the center, this guy covers, these are the first 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So at the back here, if we could rotate, we have our number 5. Then in front here, which will be covering him, we have our number 6. So that is how we have 6. So that is how we have 6. Now what do? We just draw out our square, right, with each cation at each angles. Then we have our anion in the center, right? So now all we are so concerned about is the length here. We'll call this place our y, right? So now let's solve. We apply Pythagoras theorem again. So we know that we have RA here and RA here. So each length is equals to 2RA. Before we apply our Pythagoras theorem, we bring out our line, our triangle. So this is where the cation is. We call it y. We call this line y. So we know this is 2RA and this is also 2RA. So we have Pythagoras theorem is equals to y squared is equal to 2RA all squared plus 2RA all squared, which is y squared is equal to 4RA squared plus 4RA squared. Then we go ahead and say y is equal to addition of both of them, which is the sum of both of them, RA square. Okay, then let me jump step. Y square is equal to 8RA square, right? Then we say y is now equal to the root of 8RA square, which is equal to 2 root 2 RA. So now we know that our y here is equals to 2 root 2 RA. So let's go ahead and solve. Remember what we are always doing on our line where the cation rests. So we have a cation here and we have anion here. So to substitute for our y in this equation, let's call this equation 1. Substitute for our y in equation 1, we need to find how many anions and cations. So we have RA, and 2RC, because we have both radius sitting on this line, not half the radius, it's both radius. So therefore our y is going to be equal to 2RA plus 2RC. Then we go ahead and substitute it into equation 1. So substituting it into equation, we have y as 2RA plus 2RC is equal to 2 root 2 times RA. So we collect like terms again, as always. We say 2RC is equal to 2 root 2 RA. This is multiplication sign, with 2RA minus 2RA. So we collect like terms. 2RC is equal to 2 root 2 minus 2, then multiply by RA over. So here we are trying to cancel out 2, here we are trying to cancel out RA. So we say 2 times RA and 2 times RA here also. So 2 cancels 2, RA cancels RA. Therefore our cation to anion ratio is equal to 2 root 2 minus 2 over, let me write it well, 2 root 2 minus 2 over 2, which is going to result to equal to 0.4 1 4. Alright guys, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and share the video. Bye and peace out.